Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Today I get to walk you through this 2026 Nautique G25. Wow, what a gorgeous boat. This is the Admiral Blue Metal Flake with a black bottom. And then you've got the telescoping tower for the G25 with the bimini. You've got the board racks, you've got the speakers up on top. Wow, just a gorgeous boat. You put this out on the water in the sun, she's really just gonna look beautiful. So we've got the NSS system, we got underwater lights, we've got surf pipe, we got steer assist, got everything you're gonna need. You got seats in the back, great place to chill. Why don't you join me aboard? Let's take a look at the rest. All right, welcome aboard this 2026 Nautique G25. Wow, just a gorgeous boat on the exterior. Now check out the interior. We got the Mojave brown with the Admiral blue accents all the way through. Got nice sea decking all the way through. In all of our Gs, you've got subfloor ballast. So I've got just massive storage on both sides of the boat. All the ballast is subfloor. I've got tons of storage. You can see the lights are on in there, so plenty of light if you come up at night. This one's got the PCM 450 horsepower. It's called the ZZ6. Excellent engine for this boat. You've got lighting all the way through both sides. Obviously you can change colors. We just got it on the white right now. Underneath the seats, again, more just tons of storage, lighting underneath. You've got the pull-away bench. We've got the beautiful tower like I mentioned earlier. Lights are on up in the tower. We got dual speakers. You got a backup camera up top. You got the bimini, place to put just dock lines or ropes or whatever you'd like. We've got the new board racks here. And then we come up to the helm. You got the great Nautique seat, lighting behind it, bolster, really nice chair. So driving in this thing is very comfortable. We got the tower controls, so this tower does go up and down by a power. Come up to the front here, you got the nice steering wheel. Very ergonomical, easy to put your arm right here. You've got controls right here, you got a place for your phone. And then we got the nice big 15-inch screen. Everything's touch, or you can control it right there as well. We've got storage underneath the seat. You got the cover in there right now, but you got storage. There's a 12-inch subwoofer underneath there. There's another enclosed 12-inch subwoofer underneath there. We've got storage up here, and then the G25, massive bow. We've got the pad in there. You can flip that over. There'll be sea deck on that side, so you can step out without stepping on any cushions. Armrests that pop up, more cup holders, speakers, everything you're gonna need. This is a 19-person boat, surfing, wakeboarding, tubing, or just hanging out, going for a cruise. We've got heated seat here, heated seat there. The G25 gives you everything you're gonna need. Bring the entire crew, the entire family. What a great boat. It is here at our Rogers location. Stop by anytime or give us a call to set up an appointment. We'd love to see you out here.